Hey everyone, welcome to today's daily English conversation.
Yeah, welcome. Today's topic is talking about weekend plans.
We're going to have a natural conversation about what we're planning to do this weekend, how to talk about free time, and some common English expressions you can use when making weekend plans.
So grab your notebook, relax, and listen carefully. You can even repeat after us to practice your speaking.
Hey Jack, the week is finally over. I can't believe it's already Friday.
I know, right? This week felt so long. I've been waiting for the weekend since Monday.
Same here. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I've got a few things in mind. I might go hiking with some friends on Saturday. How about you?
That sounds fun. I'm planning to just relax at home on Saturday. Maybe watch a movie or two and sleep in.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Sometimes doing nothing is the best plan.
Exactly. I've been so busy this week. I just need some time to recharge.
Totally. Are you going to watch anything specific?
Maybe something light and funny. I've been watching a comedy show on Netflix lately. It's hilarious.
Nice. I love comedy shows. Which one?
It's called Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Have you seen it?
Of course. That show is hilarious. I love the character Jake Peralta. He's so funny.
Yeah, he cracks me up every time.
So you're relaxing on Saturday. What about Sunday? Doing anything special?
Actually, I might meet my cousin for brunch. Brunch is a meal between breakfast and lunch.
Oh, brunch. Fancy. Where are you going?
We haven't decided yet. Maybe that new cafe downtown, the one with the outdoor seating?
Oh, I know that place. It's got a nice vibe. Great pancakes, too.
Yeah, I've heard their pancakes are really good. I'm craving something sweet. Craving means you really want to eat something.
Same. I've been eating healthy all week, but I think I deserve a treat.
Same here. It's the weekend, time to enjoy yourself.
Exactly. So what do you usually do on weekends, apart from relaxing?
It depends. Sometimes I go out with friends. Sometimes I just stay home. What about you?
I usually try to do something outdoors, like hiking, cycling, or playing basketball. I hate staying indoors all weekend.
That's great. You're so active. I wish I had that kind of energy.
You can start small. Even a short walk in the park can make a big difference.
True. I should probably start doing that. My body's been begging for exercise. A funny way to say, I really need to exercise. By the way, what did you do last weekend?
Oh, last weekend was pretty chill. I visited my parents. They live about an hour away from here.
That's nice. It must be great to spend some family time.
Yeah, it was. My mom cooked my favorite meal, spaghetti and meatballs. I probably ate too much, though.
That's okay. That's what weekends are for. Good food and no guilt.
Exactly. How about you? What did you do last weekend?
Let me think. Oh, yeah. I went shopping with my friend Lisa. We spent almost the whole day at the mall.
Wow. Did you buy anything?
Yeah, I bought a new pair of sneakers and a cute dress. Lisa convinced me to get them.
That's what friends are for, helping you spend your money.
Exactly. But it was fun. We also had ice cream afterward.
Sounds like a perfect weekend. So, apart from watching shows, what else do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading, especially mystery novels. I love trying to guess who the bad guy is before the end.
Nice. That sounds fun. I'm more into self-improvement books or travel stories.
Oh, really? Any book you're reading right now?
Yeah, actually, I'm reading Atomic Habits. It's about how small habits can change your life.
I've heard about that one. Everyone says it's amazing.
Yeah, it's really practical. For example, it talks about how if you want to build a habit, you should make it easy to start. Build a habit means to make a new routine or behavior part of your life.
That makes sense. I should probably read it too.
Totally worth it. You can start with just 10 minutes a day.
Good idea. I'll try that this weekend. By the way, have you checked the weather for the weekend?
Yeah, I did. It's supposed to be sunny on Saturday, but cloudy on Sunday.
Perfect for hiking then.
Exactly. That's why we picked Saturday. The trail we're going to has an amazing view from the top.
Wow, sounds beautiful. How long is the hike?
About 3 hours up and 2 hours down. It's not too hard, but you definitely get a workout.
Get a workout means you exercise or use your body actively. That's great. I think I'll just watch a hiking video from my couch.
Haha, that counts too, right?
Sure, mental hiking.
You could come with us next time. It's fun to go as a group.
Maybe. I'll think about it. But you have to promise there'll be snacks.
Always. Snacks are the best part of hiking.
Deal.
Speaking of relaxing, have you watched any good movies recently?
Actually, yes. I watched Inside Out 2 last weekend. It was so emotional.
Oh, I haven't seen that yet. How was it?
It was amazing. Funny, but also really touching. It makes you think about growing up and feelings.
Nice. I'll watch it this weekend then.
You should. What kind of movies do you usually like?
Mostly action or adventure. But sometimes I enjoy romantic comedies too. You know, rom-coms.
Rom-coms. I love those. They're so lighthearted.
Exactly. Perfect for a weekend evening.
Do you have any travel plans coming up?
Actually, yes. I'm planning a short trip next month. Maybe a weekend getaway.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Where to?
I'm thinking about going to the beach. I haven't been there in ages.
Same. I love the beach. The sound of the waves is so relaxing.
Totally. I just want to lie down, feel the sun, and do nothing.
That's the best feeling ever. You should go for it.
Yeah, I think I will. How about you? Any travel plans?
Maybe next month. I'd love to visit my hometown and spend time with my parents.
That's always nice. Home-cooked food, family, and no stress.
Exactly. Nothing beats that.
So, to sum up, your weekend plan is Netflix, brunch, and maybe a walk in the park?
Yep, that's the plan. And yours is hiking and relaxing afterward.
Exactly. Maybe I'll text you some pictures from the trail.
Sure, and I'll send you a picture of my pancakes.
Deal. Sounds like we both have great weekends ahead.
Definitely. Let's catch up on Monday and talk about how our weekends went.
Sounds good. Enjoy your weekend, Eve.
You too, Jack. Have fun hiking. And that's it for today's daily English conversation.
We hope you enjoy listening to our chat about weekend plans.
Try using these phrases when you talk with your friends about your own weekends.
And remember, practice makes perfect.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English conversations.
See you next time.
Bye.